Hey everyone, Kev the Trainer here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside of Planet Fitness. So at the time of this video, it's the end of the year, and next month, a lot of new people will be joining the gym. So I just want to show you what's inside a typical Planet Fitness. I know there are some Planet Fitnesses that are getting huge upgrades with a ton more plate-loaded equipment, actual squat racks, and turf. At the time of this video, they're still testing out those locations. So for a majority of Planet Fitnesses, what you'll see in this video is what you can typically expect. So the first thing you see when you walk in is the front desk area. This is where you'll check in using your membership ID or QR code. This is also where you'll check in to use your Black Card Spa amenities. So you have a ton of cardio machines. So there's the classics, like the treadmill right over here. You got a variety of different bikes, like a spinner bike, a upright bike, a recumbent bike, some arc trainers, which are kind of like ellipticals, and then you have ellipticals themselves. So no shortage of cardio here. You also have stair climber machines here if you like to climb stairs, and some rowers, and recumbent steppers if you need some lower impact cardio. And if you're new to strength training, there are a wide variety of machines that target different muscle groups. Shoulder presses, right over here. You got back extensions, lat pull downs. So here's pretty much a whole ton of upper body machines that you would use to strengthen everything above the belt. There are a bunch of leg machines. You got your leg curls, leg extensions, leg presses, etc. If you're trying to work on your abs, there's an area designed just for that. So there are a ton of ab machines here to help you strengthen your upper, lower, middle abs, obliques as well. So there are free weights, including dumbbells. They go all the way to 75. And there's also a mirror you can use to capture your form. Then you got a variety of barbells, cable machines here. So you got the seated cable row, as well as a lat pull down. There's a whole bunch of different attachments you can use right over here. Then we also have a Smith machine over here. It's great if you want to do squats, bench presses. So here you have what's called the 30-minute workout circuit, and it's designed for a quick full body workout using a variety of strength machines. And there are these step platforms that you use for cardio. There's a red and green stoplight. So the green light means start, red light means switch. All stations are numbered. It must be followed in numerical order. And there's also a functional training area. And basically this has a lot of dynamic pieces of equipment, such as an infinite rope right over here, another cable machine, as well as a TRX strap. And there's an area dedicated for stretching. And here you can do a whole ton of warm-ups, cool downs, work on your mobility, recovery. You can just grab a mat and use all of this open space and find a place where you can do your stretches. These pieces of equipment are sometimes found in the functional training area, but here they're located at the stretching area. Your balls, your kettlebells, your medicine balls and Bosu balls, as well as a variety of resistance bands. So there are locker rooms, of course, but I can't film in there. There's a bunch of showers, and there are some lockers, as well as the Black Card Spa. If you're a Black Card member, you would check in at the front here. You can use their Hydromassage lounge, massage chairs, the relax pod, tanning booths, and total body enhancement machine. And here's the Black Card Lounge, which is where you can get your tanning machines. So you have your massage chairs, your Hydromassage beds. And if your club is lucky, you'll have a relax pod. So that's what you can expect to find in a typical Planet Fitness. If you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.